what are comments? Well, comments are HTML elements that we write inside of our code, and these elements are not visible inside of our web page. So basically any content that is surrounded with less than sign, exclamation mark, dash dash, and with dash dash, greater than sign, represents HTML comment. Why to use HTML comments? Well, comments are very useful in cases where we need to place some reminders for ourselves or for other colleagues. For example, what has been done or what should be done in our code. Also, comments are useful if we need to solve some problem or for debugging, because we can comment out line per line of our code until we find the error. What are comment types? Well, there are two types of HTML comments. There are one-line and multi-line comments. One-line comment is comment that will comment out one line of code, and multi-line comment is comment that will comment out more than one line of our code. And last, what are valid and invalid comments? Well, every comment that starts with less than sign, exclamation mark, dash dash, without spaces between it, and that ends up with the dash dash and greater than sign, also without spaces between it, represents valid comments. All other comments that not following this rule are invalid comments. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.